Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. This is just a quick update on Bitcoin. We did hit that 71,283 target that I was talking about. And you do need to close above this target in order for next target to be 75,913, right? So this is just very simple strategy that I have. It's fairly accurate, right? But again, this has to close above. You need to close at least above 7123. So if you come back down and close down here, then all this, you can kiss this price goodbye, right? But again, this has to close above here. So you have to stay above this fib, right, at 71,283. And if it does, my next target, right, would be the 75,913 level, right? But you have to close above this 71,283, right? So that's basically it. We're just looking at closes for confirmation. It does look like we're going to be closing a bullish VC here, so even more bullish towards the upside. But you have 12 hours to close this, right? If you close this, next level 75K. If you don't close this, probably going back down to like under 70K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.